It's Banginz dog. From it is the link. It's Banginz dog. Head buck.
Catch this out, cool. Let me know.
From it is the link. It's Banginz dog. It's Banginz dog. From it is the link. It's Banginz dog. Head bunks like fucking ball. From it is the link. It's Banginz dog.
What's good YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss. So we're back in effect with another video for you guys. This is the third video of today. Right now we're going back over Grenada. People have an artist named Geeza Boss. Song called Banginz with Z. Banginz. Say no, say straight bang bang Banginz. You understand? It's an official music video. I know about that. As me, I say Grenada dance. I'm ready for this. Like up the video. Subscribe. Comment on this video to see your comment in this video that I post. I could big up some people me in that comment, right? I could do the right thing. I drop in the description of the video and see what I go on. First and foremost, I say big up to the artist Geeza Boss. You see me, I say big up the artist. You see me, I say big up to JB Studios 999 on Instagram. You see me, I say 39 JB Studios 39 back at that. Go check them out of them. Edit that video. Then I say big up to KingzMen Productions also. People, ready for that video? The video done now, man, you know? That video, I say, it I say 100. Pick up to Josh Jones, same speed. Because see what I'm going for the video right now, people. Run tune! JB Studios. Warning. It I go bad. Go on!
Sweet. You don't know. JB, tell them haters and we don't support no stupidness.
Shit.
Banginz, no clappings.
Boom.
Haha.
Banginz, no clappings. What them know about that? But JB, make them haters know so we don't support no stupidness, no man. Go on.
Tell some idiot.
Yeah.
From it is the link.
Yeah.
It's Banginz dog.
Hey.
It's Banginz dog.
Hola.
From it is the link. It's Banginz dog. Head bunks like fucking ball. From it is the link. It's Banginz dog. It's Banginz dog. From it is the link. It's Banginz dog. Head bunks.
Catch this out, cool. Let me know.
From it is the link. It's Banginz dog. It's Banginz dog. From it is the link. It's Banginz dog. Head bunks like fucking ball. From it is the link. It's Banginz dog. It's Banginz dog. From it is the link. It's Banginz dog. Head bust like fucking ball. Go feed them anyway. Ski mask suit up. Anyone diss the link, they will get fucked up. Send for the matic clip.
Them go feed them anyway. Ski mask suit up. Anywhere. Any man at all, this the link. Any man at all, this the link. Any man, yo, run back a little bit, run back. Go on.
Head bust like fucking ball. Go feed them anyway, ski mask suit up. Anyone diss the link, they will get fucked up. Send for the matic clip long and bend. Real thing out there, we not pretend. Them boy fake, so stay an alien. Try to take my life, catch a clip in your brain. See the enemy.
Hold on, baby, I can't do that again now. You know, the rhythm and sound of vibe that tweet here. It's Banginz dog. It's Banginz dog. Hey, from here, this the link. It's Banginz dog. Yo, dog, hold on. Run back. Go on.
Anyone diss the link, they will get fucked up. Send for the matic clip long and bend
up.
Real thing out there, we not pretend. Them boy fake, so stay in alien. Try to take my life, catch a clip in your brain. See the enemy in a traffic.
If I try to take him live, there's gonna be a clip in your brain. If you see, yo, go on.
So me run out with a big long matic. Open the boy head like it's a car bonnet. You know he's a boss when the kids start vomit. Green's bad.
You know what my car bonnet open wide in a dog. And myself I go open that boy head. Like you open my car bonnet. Even somebody brother. Go on.
We mad. So much kidding like we in a Baghdad. Cut it up fine, put it in a body bag. It's Banginz dog.
It's Banginz dog.
From it is a link. It's Banginz dog. Head bunks like fucking ball. From it is a link. Banginz dog. It's Banginz.
Pause. Right now, if you say I go on bad, I want to know, don't you know, Mr. Ready, if you say I go on bad, right now, I want to see be a fire emoji in the comment section. Be a fire emoji in the comment section. You see me, I say, we don't want a 1, we don't want a 2, come on, 1, 3 to 4 to 5 coming from everybody right now. Be a fire emoji. Like up the video. Do what already? Run through then.
Dog, from it is a link.
It's Banginz dog.
Head bust like fucking ball. We fully done suck like we don't have no sense. Boss of boy head if they want violence. When Geeza do thing, he don't want no comments. I'm a real boss, only study about the paper. If you don't like me don't really cater. You let the traitor send it straight to your maker. 6 lens. When Geeza wins dog, from it is a link. It's Banginz dog. Head bust like fucking ball. We fully done suck like we don't have no sense. Boss of boy head if they want violence. When Geeza do thing, he don't want no comments. I'm a real boss, only study about the paper. If you don't like me don't really cater. You let the traitor send it straight to your maker. 6 mass man, cook you up like a baker. Everybody dead, even the dog get the copper and lead. Press on them any day, anytime. Headshot from the 9 shot.
Hold on. He dog go from me, this the link. It's Banginz dog. And give the build up, you know. I know I give you one build up for dog. People never say about me want to see be a fire emoji in the comment section, dog. Me not ask you now again. You see me I say? Right now I want to see be a fire emoji. If you comment already, comment it again. Be a fire emoji. Link to the original site will be down below in the description of the video. I want to click the link. I want to go drop be a fire emoji over the setup. You see me I say? Geeza boss. JB Studios in back, go on!
Fuck up the spine, bullet burn up your nose like you just did a line.
No, brother, you're a legend. This man is a legend. Who you know can laugh, you know, one song, the song still shot. Brother, you're a legend, dog. Me, bro, that's laugh after them. Because for them, it's the link. It's
Banginz dog. It's Banginz dog. From it is the link.
Sure.
It's Banginz dog. It bunks like fucking ball. From it is the link. It's Banginz dog. It's Banginz dog. From it is the link. It's Banginz dog. Head bust like fucking ball. No, sweet. Don't fake it, just hate it.
Cheers.
Fuck do all that.
Cheers.
Yo, JB, we don't support no stupidness.
We don't support no stupidness. We don't do it. I mean, I want you support no stupidness either. You see me I say? That ain't in our dictionary. We don't do that. But guess I'm wanting to support the artist Geeza boss. So I want to know more, I want to go in the description of that video. Yeah? You see me I say, I'm want to screen the card and screenshot and tag me by Instagram and tag the artist by Instagram. Everything gonna be down below in the description. You see me I say, support. Help the dog go. You see me I say, go follow JB Studios 9999 on Instagram. Go follow Geeza boss on Instagram also. And don't know you can follow me to Reaction Boss. You know we are trying to 10K over there. So you see me I say, thank you for checking out this video. It's been the boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the Reaction Boss. Signing out. Okay.